In today's video, I'll show you how to add a domain in Cloudflare quickly and easily. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard or create an account if you haven't yet. Once logged in, click the Add a Site button on your dashboard. Enter your epic domain like example.com, not a subdomain. Make sure your domain is under a valid TLD such as .com, .net or .org. Next, choose a Cloudflare plan. The free plan is perfect for most users, offering essential security and performance features. After selecting your plan, Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Take a moment to verify they are correct to ensure smooth site operation. Finally, update your domain registrar with the name servers provided by Cloudflare. This step allows Cloudflare to manage your site traffic efficiently. And that's it. Your domain is now added to Cloudflare, ready for optimization and enhanced security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.